Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is your Spanish educator Krishna. So in this video we will learn some Spanish greeting words. So here you can see the list of Spanish word and here you can see the list of Indian word or Hindi word. So without any delay, let's get started. Hola. Hola we will write H but we will pronounce O. So it sounds like Ola. Ola means hello. Okay, next one is buenos dias. Buenos dias. It means buenos means good and dias means day. So we can say good morning, buenos dias. Next one is buenos tardes. As you know, buenos means good and tardes means afternoon and evening, both. So we can use this word buenos tardes. We can say good afternoon and good evening. Okay, friends. Next one is buenos noches. Buenos means good, noches means night. It meaning good night. Buenos noches. Okay. Second one is adios. Adios. Adios means bye or goodbye. Both. Next, mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. Mucho means a lot, much, and gusto means pleasure, happiness, liking. So, mucho gusto means nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Next one is Mi Zamo Krishna. Mi Zamo Krishna. It means I call myself Krishna. Okay, we can say this word in different way, like mi nombre es Krishna. Mi nombre es Krishna. It means me means my, nombre means name, es means is, and Krishna. My name is Krishna. Mi nombre es Krishna. Okay friends, I hope you are understanding little bit. So friends, whatever we learn we can just let's repeat in short. Okay, so hola. Hola means hello. Next one is buenos dias. Buenos dias means good morning. Next one is buenos tardes. Buenos tardes has a two meanings, good afternoon and good evening. Okay, next one is buenos noches. Buenos noches means good night. Next one is adios. Adios means bye and goodbye, both. Next one is mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. It means nice to meet you. Next one is Mi Zamo Krishna. Mi Zamo Krishna. I call myself Krishna. Okay, so as you know, we can use this word in a different way. Okay, Mi nombre es Krishna. Mi means my, nombre means name, S means is, and Krishna. Mi nombre es Krishna. My name is Krishna. Okay, friends. So thanks for watching my video, and in on my next video I will give some more interesting words. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.